have to be able to really enjoy the small moments and the small wins and cherish those, because when you fail, you don't fail small, you fail really, really hard. Hey guys, Jason Harris here with Digital Dealership Solutions. Hey, thanks for joining me on another episode of The Drive. Something, guys, that just kind of recently came up in conversation with some friends and some clients and stuff like that is entrepreneurship and how lonely entrepreneurship can be. And I think you hear that term a lot, and I think I've heard it now in a few different podcasts and a few different maybe posts on Instagram and stuff. And, you know, but I think people have to understand why it's that case. Look, as an entrepreneur or a business owner, all right, you have a team that assists you in your guys' goals and objectives to hit what you guys are ultimately going after, right? Either being dollars amounts or increase in revenue, gross profit, whatever it is. You have a team that assists you in that. So when it comes to a win, you have a team effort. It's a team effort that comes to the win. Bottom line, though, as a business owner, when it comes to the lose, it wasn't the team that lost, it was you, the business owner, that lost. So when people make that comment that being an entrepreneur is not all glitz and glam, guys, it really isn't, okay? Every single time there's a loss, it's my fault. Every single time we lose a customer, it's my fault. Every single time an employee quits, it's my fault. Not the team's fault, it's my fault. And I take ownership of that. I've had this conversation recently with my nephew who wants to be an entrepreneur, and just trying to help him explain and understand that this is not all the flash and cash that you see online, but can be actually a very lonely thing. I'd love to hear what your guys' thoughts and opinion on that. You know, drop me a message down below. You know, I thoroughly enjoy reading those, and thank you so much for your guys' time. You guys have a wonderful day.